The HP LaserJet Enterprise MFP M630 is showing Maintenance Kit Low. In this video, we'll replace the complete maintenance kit and restore the printer to proper working condition. As you can see on the screen, the printer is showing two messages: Maintenance Kit Low and Document Feeder Kit Low. These messages indicate that the related maintenance components are reaching the end of their service life and need to be replaced. The Document Feeder Kit Low message indicates that the ADF rollers and other document feeding components have reached the end of their service life and need to be replaced. The Maintenance Kit Low message indicates that the fuser, transfer roller, and paper feed rollers have reached the end of their recommended service life, and the maintenance kit should be replaced. Here we have the complete maintenance kit for this printer. Inside the box, we have the new fuser assembly, transfer roller, and the paper feed rollers needed for the printer's regular maintenance. We'll replace these worn components with the new parts from the kit to restore reliable printing and paper feeding. Since the printer's existing rollers are still in good condition and clean, there is no need to replace them, so we will keep them in place and only replace the fuser assembly with the new one from the maintenance kit. We need to remove a few covers to access and remove the old fuser unit. A fuser can stop working for several reasons. The heating element can fail, the temperature sensor can become faulty, or the fuser can simply reach the end of its service life. Now we can install the new fuser. The new fuser is installed, all the covers are back in place, and now we can turn on the printer. The new fuser is installed, and the printer is working normally again. As you can see, the supply status test looks great, and the maintenance messages have been cleared. The repair is complete, and the printer is ready to use.